Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can enable the auto arrange in Bambu Studio. So it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to navigate through your project, and from here let's say that we have multiple objects selected on our studio right here. The first thing that you want to do is to actually just click on the model itself, and then there will be this option enabled called arrange. So it's going to be this specific option right here, arrange objects on selected plates. So let's just click on this option, click on arrange, and it will arrange everything. But if you want to make things a lot faster, you could just press A on your keyboard and you're good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.